I started getting more views, more subscribers, and more watch hours the minute I decided to start applying these things on my channel. Before now, I used to hear it from a lot of all these big creators. Then I said to myself one day, let me give this a try. Let me start applying them on my channel. Lo and behold, ever since the day I started applying it, my channel visibility has changed. So in today's video, I'm going to be revealing to you all what this particular thing is and how you can fix them on your channel in order for you to start getting the views you deserve. Before we get started, if this is the first time you're seeing me here, you're welcome, and do not mind my background. I actually traveled home. That is why you're seeing this background here. Now, I need you to understand something. Gone are the days whereby you upload videos randomly and they just start getting its visibility. I started doing these three things and my channel never remained the same. These three things is what we call video optimization. A lot of us are getting it all wrong. Most of us don't even know how to properly optimize our videos for search results. Now, when it comes to getting views, when it comes to getting subscribers, when it comes to getting watch hours, there are three things that are mainly important, which is your video title, your video thumbnail, and your video description, including tags and hashtag. If these things are not properly arranged, or if you do not come up with the right ones, you might be putting out a lot of effort on your content, and at the end of the day, you will not be getting that visibility on your channel. Optimizing your video helps your content to be much more visible. And from my last video, I got a lot of questions. Okay, Princess, tell us how to properly optimize our videos. What are the right tools, or how do we get the right words to use for our videos title, thumbnail, and description in order for them to come up on search results? So I am going to be displaying a well-detailed tutorial on how you can come up with a great thumbnail idea, and also how you can come up with a great title idea, and same thing goes to description. Believe me when I say, if you're able to master these things, like if you watch this video and you apply every single thing that I'm going to be sharing with you the right way, you're going to be getting that visibility on your channel.
So for you to come up with a great title, what you need to do is to head over to ChatGPT. Now, I want you to understand that when somebody is scrolling on YouTube, they only see your title and your thumbnail. So that is your one shot. So you have to try your best to make sure that the both of them create curiosity, so that the viewers will not just scroll past. Now, what you need to do is you already have the idea of the video you want to shoot, or you have a title at heart already. So what you can just do is to come over here and type to ChatGPT. So let me say, okay, I made a video on how to bake a cake. So please, I need you to help me So after typing it, just go ahead and send it. Now, you need to understand that any niche at all, if it is motivational niche or faceless, or when generating your prompt, try to let ChatGPT be aware. Okay, this is a faceless channel, or this is a faceless video. Okay, now from the screen here, you can see the titles ChatGPT recommended for me: how to bake a perfect cake at home, easy recipe for beginner. Then this number 2 is no fail cake recipe, moist and fluffy. That is fluffy cake step by step. So after ChatGPT must have generated all these, another thing that I do personally, and I also advise my students to do, is just come down to the chat and tell ChatGPT to please help me to score your own. You might not really need to be typing it this way, please. It's just that I'm used to it already. So please help me to score and rate the titles. So by doing this, I'll be able to know the best title, at least top 3 best title that I am to choose in between. Okay, So ChatGPT is going to rate them. This first one, I think it came out 8.8 over 10. Then this second one came out 8.5 over 10. And now let's go. Okay, so below here is the top 3 recommended titles to use. You can see it. The first one here is the easiest way to bake a cake from scratch, followed by the second one, followed by the last. So let's assume that if I am the one making this video, I'm going to be going with this number 1, or I might as well go with this number 2. Now from below here, you can see what ChatGPT say. Let me know the exact type of cake, e.g. chocolate, vanilla. That is why I say you have to be very, very detailed with your prompts, okay, so that you won't make mistakes, and so that ChatGPT will not generate the wrong thing for you. So that aside, another way for you to come up with a very good title is for you to head over straight to your YouTube channel, then go over to the search bar. So any video title you have at heart, just type it. Okay, let's assume that the video I want to make is on how to bake vanilla cake. So these are the ideas that YouTube search bar generated for me. Now what I just need to do is to click on the one that I am likely to make a video on, either at home, cake for beginners, without oven, bake okay, in Nigeria, and the rest. So let me just go ahead with this first one. Now you can see the kind of videos that perform well with the way their thumbnails are. So that is why I said earlier on that you can also make use of your YouTube search bar in order for you to get ideas on the kind of thumbnail you want to create. Let's assume that I have a cooking channel and I would love to be making something like this. What I just need to do is to take screenshot of my already made cake, or I'll just come here and take one of these videos screenshots, since it's not really having the main picture of the person. Okay, then I give it my own little edit, and that is all. So have you seen that you can also make use of your YouTube search bar to generate a good title, and also your ChatGPT? Now you have to understand one thing. There's what we call making use of keywords. So you have to try your best to always make use of the keywords in your title. Let it appear on your thumbnail, but not really always, and in your description. Now if you're wondering what is the keyword from this title, the keyword in this title is baking and cake. That is, for my description, how to bake a cake should appear. My thumbnail should be talking about cake, and also going to my tags and my hashtag. But for tags and hashtag, we're going to be treating it another day, okay? Be it African folk tales, or be it motivational channel, as long as you are able to understand how to come up with your prompt, then you're good to go. I made a video on an African folktale channel, or maybe I made a story video about 2 people who fell in love. One is based in Nigeria, the other one based in Ghana. Okay, this is the way. Or you can even share your prompts with ChatGPT and just tell it to summarize it and generate the best video title, the best SEO optimized, the best SEO well optimized title for you. Okay, now if you're wondering what's the meaning of the SEO and well optimized, SEO is search engine optimization. That is for your videos to be able to come up on search. Okay, it's just like if I'm to make a video now with this number 1 title here that says the easiest way to bake a cake from home. There is no how somebody will come over to YouTube search bar to search for anything relating to cake that my own video will not pop up. It will definitely pop up, if not as top 1 or top 5, but at least YouTube is going to recommend my video. Why is that? I have been able to optimize my title. Okay, so this is all what you need for you to be able to come up with a good title for each videos you are to drop on your channel. So right now I'm going to be showing you how to come up with a very good thumbnail idea making use of your ChatGPT. So first of all, just head over straight to your ChatGPT and deliver the prompt. Now, I want you to understand that this particular method can work for any niche, be it faceless channel, be it African folk tales, health, any niche at all. This method can work. And the reason why I am showing you this is that most of us don't really know how to come up with a thumbnail idea, because one thing is being able to come out with a great title, and another thing is being able to come up with a good thumbnail. So let's just go straight. Now, just like as I said earlier on, you need to get your prompt. So let's assume that you made a video about how to bake a cake, health, just any video title at all. Now, from the example I gave earlier on, which is how I got 1,000 subscribers in 1 week, let's make use of that first. So now, let's say okay, I've done my video on how I got 1,000 subscribers. I've been able to come up with my title. Now I need my thumbnail. So what I just need to come over here and type for ChatGPT is please, okay, don't mind me, I'm used to using please for ChatGPT. So I need thumbnail text idea for the video titled how I got 1,000 subscribers in 1 week. Now you go ahead and send it. So ChatGPT is going to respond to you immediately. Now, this is what it says. Here are thumbnail text ideas for your video. Now, if you look very well, you can see that the first one is of high impact thumbnail text, which is 0 to 1,000 fast, gain 1K sub in 7 days. Just go through it. Now, if you look below, it still asks, would you like me to also suggest design ideas, colors, expression, image, emojis, or images to include? It's left for you. You know, one thing about this ChatGPT is how you are able to deliver your prompt. If you give it a wrong prompt, it's going to deliver something wrong to you, okay? So you can as well tell it to, okay, let's go over and say, yes, help me out with the design, colors, and expression. Then you send it. So it's still going to come back for you. Here is a detailed breakdown for your thumbnail design based on the title, how I got 1,000 subscribers in 1 week. You can see the first thing it says, your face appearing, then bold numbers, then the color scheme. So what you just need to do is to go through it very well. And also, I want you to understand that ChatGPT is not generating any thumbnail for you. ChatGPT is only going to give you ideas. And yes, it can also generate thumbnail, but it's going to be coming out in the form of AI. And you might not really be needing it, because most of us, we do lifestyle, some of us do health, and we want to be displaying either our pictures or maybe images that we get from Google or anywhere. So that is why I would prefer asking ChatGPT to help you with the ideas, then you create it on your own way. Now, I still asked it for another idea again, which is I did a video on how to eat healthy or healthy meals. Please help me out with a thumbnail idea. So one thing is, you don't have to be perfect with your prompt. Sometimes if I tell my student, just chat with ChatGPT more like a friend, because there are some things I do on my own. After ChatGPT must have generated all this text, which is eat this, not that, healthy, never tasted so good, how I eat clean daily. I can as well always go back and ask it, are you sure that this thumbnail text will perform well? Is this really going to go viral? So just try your best to like always present a good prompt. Know how you are writing it. Okay, the first visual element here is a plate or bowl of colorful food. Now this is the idea it gave. Things like veggies, grilled chicken, rice, smoothies and the rest. Then the second thing here is show before and after of meals. So this can work even if it's a motivational faceless AI channel. Just tell it, hi ChatGPT, I did a video on my motivational and faceless channel titled how to be successful in life or how to be a great man. Please help me with the best thumbnail idea, which is text then slash visual. Is going to also generate something powerful. That is, it's going to give you the idea. Then once ChatGPT give you the idea, you go ahead and gather the pictures, head over to CapCut and come out with generate a very strong and powerful thumbnail. Okay, and that brings us to the end of this video. So if you watched to this extent and you've not yet liked this video, please do well to like this video, drop me your comments, and lastly, do not forget to share so that I can get to a lot of other content creators out there. Also, if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section and I will see you there. So bye and thanks for watching, and see you all in my next video.